Let's talk about Doja Cat and her capsular contracture. This photo right here has gone viral this week because she has an abnormal contour to her left breast. And because the internet is the internet, people have not been nice to her, and she responded this week and said, "Don't clock my contracted implant, it's all I ask." And we're not going to clock her, but let's talk about contractures, and I'm going to plead my case because I love Doja and I want to fix it for her so bad. So capsular contracture is a problem where the scar tissue around an implant becomes abnormal and thick. So typically when you put a foreign body in anywhere in your body, whether it's a pacemaker or a breast implant, your body will wall it off with scar tissue, and that scar tissue is usually thin and soft. But in a contracture, it gets abnormal and thick, and it can squish the implant and make it look strange. Sometimes it can squish the implant, make it look strange, and hurt. It's a really terrible problem. Now, fixing contractures can be quite challenging, and there's a couple different steps we do in the operating room to minimize the chance that it comes back and get your shape back to normal. And I have a bunch of videos about this in my revision playlist. And just a quick plug as well, I'm a principal investigator on an FDA trial for treatment of capsular contracture. So if you're interested, DM me. So I know there's a lot of people who will tell you that you don't have to do anything for capsular contracture, but I would argue you absolutely should. First of all, you deserve to have a soft, non-painful breast. Don't let anyone convince you otherwise. Second, there is a rare cancer that's associated with the chronic inflammation of a contracture with breast implants called BIA-SCC. So it's very important if you have a contracture that at a minimum you follow up on a regular basis with your doctor for evaluation. So let me know if you have any particular questions about capsular contractures, how they happen, how we treat them, and I'm happy to answer. And Doja Cat, give me a call. I'll totally fix it for you.